Hey guys, welcome back to the Dino Toy Club. I'm so happy to be back, guys. We've got a brand new, real, actual tool set in our Craftsman toolbox. How cool is this going to be? We got our Black & Decker. We got all kinds of stuff hanging out here. But we've got our brand new toolbox, and this is the real deal. Look at how big it is. It is huge, and this is one that we use in our own garage. But we have a bunch of brand new tools inside that are all packaged up. Let's take a look and see what's inside these guys. It's so good, guys, by the way, to be back and do another new video. We haven't done any new videos in a couple while. So let's take a look and see what we got inside. Real deal. We're super excited about showing you these new tools. What else we got over here? My favorite. Look at that saw. I love our handy Hydro Tough drill. We got our Black & Decker saw. We got all the real stuff here, guys. All right, let's take a look. Let's see what we have inside. Wow, these are all packaged. Brand new set. Whoa, look at those. We got like screws and lug nuts inside. Can't wait to open these up. I'm getting so excited. All right, guys. So let's put these. I'm gonna put this stuff down over here. Make some room. Make some room. Gotta clear this stuff out. What else do we have in here? Whoa, we got a brand new drill, and it comes with it has new wood pieces and some new instruments, some new tools. I'm so excited to open this stuff up. All right, let's set it there. What else we got? Man, this thing is huge. It has 3 bags of new tools. Cool, it has some more saws in there too. Oh, I can't wait to get this stuff open, guys. This is a brand new set. All right, let's get it open. Which one do you want to open up first? You want to do the one with the tools and the saws first, or we have a brand new drill? Oh, this is so cool, guys. Or our bag of lug nuts and bolts and screws and things. Let's do that first. All right, let's take it out. Here, let's make some room. Put this back, and we'll take this out now. Let's take a look. Okay, guys. All right, check it out. So I moved the camera down a little bit so we can spread out all of our really cool tools and see what we got. Let's crack these open. There we go. Alright. Brand new set. Ooh, I'm so excited. Alright, so we have some screws. Let's take a look at the screws that we have. Alright, so we have all kinds of shapes. Alright, these are... Okay, so these can either be flathead. Remember we talked about the flathead or the Phillips. Remember? Here's the flathead screwdriver, right? So this one would actually fit perfectly, guys. Look at that. Inside. Okay, so we've got Phillips and flathead screws in different sizes. Whoa, this set is really cool. I got it in the mail just probably about 3 or 4 days ago. Check those out. Oh man, different sizes. Oh, okay, so this is a drill bit. See that? That's the drill bit. That's the end of it. And that's going to go in the, yeah, that's right, that goes inside a brand new drill. Can't wait to open this up too. Man, I'm so excited. So we've got the drill bit, and then what else we have? Oh, it came, see this one also is adaptable just like, see the end? That goes inside the screwdriver, right there. And then we can use that, our screws, oh man, oh yeah, we're going to try these out, okay. And then we've got a couple of lug nuts, remember these are little lug nuts? Those, they go on the ends of the screws, and they go in like this. Right out the other side. They make it nice and tight, right? Nice and snug, see? Oh, that's so cool. Alright. Alright, so we took a look at our lug nuts and our screws. That's awesome. So let's put these guys, let's put them to the side just for now. We got our screwdriver. I don't know where that one came from. That's part of that set. But we got this brand new set. These are really bright colored, guys. Look at these things. Alright, let's crack them open. They sure do package these things good, don't they? Alright, here we go. Alright, let's get down right there. We go, all over the table there. There we go. Alright, let's check them out. God. Alright, so, ooh, this looks like something we have already in our tool set. There's that plate tool. See, this is that adjustable wrench, right? Look at it, it goes up and down. How cool is that? It's like so realistic. Right? Alright, so let's open that up. And why do you want to use it? I don't want to misplace everything. We got to take a look at all these really cool stuff. So, if we have a screw, right, we can adjust this. That's why it's called adjustable wrench. We can make it fit. Right? Let's tighten this up. This is so cool. There we go. See? You can tighten it, and then you can use that to screw it in. An adjustable wrench. So if you don't have like a screwdriver like this one, right? If you don't have one of these, no problem, because you can use an adjustable wrench. That's so cool. I love this adjustable wrench. It's so cool. All right, let's move on. Well, we've got, okay, so this is a saw, right? But this part here is the blade, right? You have the handle, but did you know the blade, this part, you can unscrew it right here. You take that off, and you can take the blade off. And then you can replace it with a different blade. That is so awesome. See, and this is another one just like it too, man. Look at that. It's just a different type of handle, though. See that? It's the same thing like I was saying before. You see this part? You unscrew that, and the blade will come right off. And these are very similar saws. It's just different in the handle. You see the handle? How it's different? Okay, cool. All right. I love collecting these things. We've got such a huge collection of tool toys. It is awesome. All right, let's see what else we had in our bag. Oh, see, this is another, now, this is like an adjustable wrench, right? It's kind of like it because it's adjustable. But this is one that plumbers use. Like all the pipes in your house that bring all the water to like your toilet or your sink or your faucets and stuff. This is a wrench that a plumber, the guy or the woman, the lady or the man that goes and works on your plumbing, they use this. It's really cool. It's like a plumber's wrench. It's a cool one. It's cool stuff. And then again, we got another adjustable, right? That's like our adjustable wrench. It's really bright. These are similar to some we had before. Two-sided, yeah, that's a two-sided wrench too. But this one's not adjustable. You can't adjust it. You just use that. Right? See? Again, on the screws. That's awesome. Now, see, these two are very similar. This is just a bigger one. But this is like a plumber's wrench. Right? A plumber's wrench. It's adjustable, and this can hold the metal pipes when they fix it. Okay, alright, so we took a look at these. Alright, now let's take a look. I can't wait to get inside these and open this up. Yes. Okay, alright guys, so we've got the two bits. Remember the drill bit and the flathead bit, right? Alright, let's keep these to the side because I want to show you why. And you guys are going to love it. Alright, let's see practice. It's so cool getting new toys. Oh, it's so awesome getting new sets. Okay. Oh, that was a lot of noise. Alright, okay, let's take a look and see. Alright, we got some more wood. We have these wood pieces. These are really, really cool to play with. That's the electric drill. Alright, so let's see how we put this together. Yeah, this is similar to one that we have. It's kind of like it. Alright, let's see. Let's get this put on here. Alright, so we got to line up. See that little star right there? Or that little arrow? Alright, you see that little arrow there? That is what we have to line up. There we go. Okay. So you see how it lines up? This is how we put it on. See that? And then twist it. And then it locks. Let's see if it works. Guys, it is totally working. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get this thing. Let's put this on there. Okay. Alright, so we have the drill. Remember? Drill bit. This is what we make the hole with. And see that square? Line up that square inside. And then it goes boom. Check this out. It's like so real. It's like a real. That is too cool. Look at that. It's coming right at you. How awesome is that, guys? This is like a real drill. Okay, so like here's the drill hole, right? How cool is that, guys? All right, you guys want to see something really awesome? All right, wait a minute. Hold on. I got something. Okay. All right, so remember we had the 2 bits. All right, we got that. So this is the flathead. Now watch this. You guys are going to love this. Watch. Okay. See how it goes around? But wait, now watch. Let me find put this over here. See, is this gonna fit? Let's see. Is that gonna fit? Let's see. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, cool. Alright, wait. You guys gotta see this. Alright, so we put this in the wood, right? what do we do with this lug nut? Remember we talked about that? Let's make it right size. You put that on here, and it tightens it up. Watch, I'm going to show you. This is just like a real one. Okay, watch. Okay, you want to go out, you want to go in. See it? It's tightening up, it's tightening. Oh, it even makes the tightening noise. It's like the real one. How awesome is that? Okay, look. It is done. It's a done deal. Look at that. We did it. We tightened it up. See how it's nice and tight? That is the screw, and that's how it goes into the wood. And it tightens up with the bolt. How awesome is that, guys? You just saw that. That's just like the real one. Okay, guys, so listen, we're going to check out another set. I'm going to do another video. You got to check out the next video. If you're not a subscriber, you've got to hit that down below. Remember, this is a D&M Toy Club, and if you want to be a clubster, you need to be subscribed. So if you guys liked the video, which I hope you just loved the video because I just had a blast with these really cool toys, give us a big old thumbs up. Okay, guys? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.